Let's take a quick look at a Riva power filter installation on a new Yamaha Jetblaster. Our power filter replaces the bulky plastic air intake system that comes stock on your Yamaha Jetblaster. The plastic system has a very restrictive paper element, and our system has a very high flow stainless steel element that puts a lot more air into your engine for increased horsepower. In addition, we include this nice aluminum bracket so you can relocate all of your electrical components. That includes the fuse box, the ECU, and all of the related electrical components. There's a lot more room to work under the hood now. Also, we've improved the engine case vent. The stock engine case vent system puts hot oil vapor right back into your air intake, which decreases performance. Our engine case vent vents separately into the atmosphere for a better situation. Overall, this system looks great, it installs easily, and it's a must for the Stage 1 user.